Our top story tonight, high-speed winds have been battering the viewing area throughout the day, toppling trees, blowing over outdoor objects, and knocking out power. Here's a look at some of the power outages happening across several counties in our area. These are just some of the numbers being reported by MonPower. Harrison County has the most customers affected, with more than 3,500 without power tonight. Some of the wind gusts have been strong enough to almost knock you off your feet today, and that's kept emergency response crews busy clearing roads. In Clarksburg, on Wonderbar Road, one tree blocked the roadway and even got caught up in a power line. Public Works officials were out there with chainsaws, cutting the tree into pieces and clearing the debris. Just a reminder to everyone out there today to drive safely and watch out for those changing road conditions.